Hello guys, what we have here is a question which was asked in the net December 2011. Okay, and the question is that a potential of a diatomic molecule as a function of distance r between the atoms is given by V of r is equal to a minus a by r raised to 6 plus b by r raised to 12. Then the value of potential at the equilibrium separation between atoms, that's the question. So what we can do is that we have a diatomic molecule, or a molecule with two atoms. So there is a two atoms right there, the nuclei or the atoms itself, and there are electrons revolving around the nuclei around the atoms. So as a result of that, there is a field which is the potential field, and then there is an electrical field as a result of that. And what we have here is the potential equation, which is the uh, amount of potential at the certain points from r0, which is the we can call equilibrium position, some position where the potential is minimum as r0, and there are points where the potential is maximum. So the potential might look like this, but it's not exactly elegant as the equation, or exactly the same as the uh, equation that we are given here, which is V of r is equal to minus a by r raised to 6 plus b by r raised to 12. Okay, that's the equation right there. So we are just assuming some potential like this. It might look like this. So at some point, which is the equilibrium position r0, the potential might be a minimum. Okay, that's the equilibrium position. That's the condition for equilibrium. So what we have here is this kind of a system. So what we need to find out is the potential at the equilibrium separation. So at the equilibrium, which is around here, potential is V equilibrium or V0, or this potential is what we need to find out. We have the V max, which is the maximum potential inside this diatomic molecule. Could be like this. Okay, it could be the same. This looks like a symmetrically distributed molecular structure. So I'm just getting you making you aware of the situation right here. So we got the system. So at this point where the equilibrium exists, the potential will be a minimum, which means the slope of this curve, this equation, as we plot as a curve, the slope of this curve will be a minimum, or the slope will be 0 at this point, which is at the point of equilibrium. So you can write dv of r by dr must be equal to 0. Okay, that's the point. So that's the point. So the potential V of r at minimum will be minus a by r raised to 6, r0 raised to 6 plus b by r raised to 12, r0 raised to 12. That's the potential at minimum at equilibrium. That's what we need to find out. So before that, we are putting out this condition: dv of r by d of r will be 0 at r is equal to r0, at r is equal to r0. That's what we know. That's all we need. So I'm going to take the derivative of the potential v of r. So it will be dv of r by dr must be equal to minus 6a by r raised to 7, right? Because 1 by r, derivative of 1 by r raised to n is equal to n by minus n by r raised to n plus 1, right? Okay, that's derivative right there. So it's 6a by r raised to 7 plus minus minus and minus will become plus, and minus 12b by r raised to 13, right? That's it. This is equal to 0, which means 6a by 12b must be equal to r raised to 7 by r raised to 13. I just cross multiplied them. So r raised to 6, r raised to 6, or 1 by r raised to 6, I'll just write it, 1 by r raised to 6 is equal to 6a by 12b. So r raised to 6 is equal to 12b by 6a, which is equal to 2b by a. Right, so we got r raised to 6. Now v of r is equal to, which is r0 raised to 6 at equilibrium, r0 raised to 6. r is equal, at equilibrium r is equal to r0. Here all r is equal to r0. So v0 of r, that is equilibrium potential, must be equal to minus a by r0 raised to 6 plus b by r0 raised to 12. I'm just writing it there. Now I can substitute the value of r0 raised to 6, which is equal to minus 2b by a plus b by r0 raised to 12, which gives you b by 2b by a the whole square, right? B by a the whole square. Simplify that and you get minus a by minus a square by 2b is equal plus a square b by 2b square, which is 4b square. This is the potential. So v0 must be equal to minus a square by 2b plus b and b will be cancelled, so it's a square by 4b. So you can take a square by b outside and you get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, right, which is equal to a square by b into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is 2 minus 4, which is minus 2 by 8. Minus 2 by 8 is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. Gives you minus a square by 4b, which is the answer right there. So minus a square by 4b is option D. So this was a very easier question. I hope you guys understood it very well. For more videos, you get to the link t.me CSIR net physics. Okay, thank you.